Are you obsessed with cats or cat videos? Here you see a cat named Hielo, Colombian cat. Bored just playing around. I like to do that noise trying to scare him sometimes. My first few videos are recorded from WhatsApp. Here Hielo is with his brother Frodo. Frodo, like the Lord of the Rings. Frodo's quite a bit older. Frodo was actually scared of him when he first arrived. Now they're kind of friends. I've been trying to video them, hoping they'll do something relatively funny. So far, not much, but I'll keep going. Here, Yellow's playing with a little cotton ball. We'll play for a little bit. I guess he likes to play soccer by himself. I'm just starting my YouTube channel, hoping I get some better equipment and stuff going soon. Better cameras, better commentary, more interesting videos. But I gotta start somewhere, right? Alright, enjoy the rest of your video. I'll post more of Frodo y Yellow if you like watching cat videos or just cats in general.
Is a good question. If there's all this waste, fraud, and abuse, when can we expect the charges in particular people, and when can we expect the indictments to come? Because if you uncover waste, fraud, and abuse, that's one thing. And then you stop the spending. But let's back up and find out who
Here
is
Yellow's
involved in
interested
waste,
in
fraud, and abuse. There are human beings behind it.
razors
There
and
are
nut
human beings
package.
behind it, and those human beings should pay for it. They should be punished. They should actually pay back out of their own paychecks and pensions that they benefited from the American people. They should be put on the chopping block, and they should be charged. They should be tried. They should be jailed. If you disagree, let me know in the comments.
So that was a lot of fraud here that the government has admitted to. So this administration is committed to finding even more of that fraud, abuse, and abuse.
That's $71 billion from 2015 to 2022. So what's in just 1 year?
$71 billion. $71 billion in fraud, Peter. That's a lot of money, far too much, and that's why.
And they don't like being exposed for what they
Here,
are.
these cats are eating mashed
We are
potatoes.
moving to item 11.3, section 551.074, personnel matter, for the purpose of hearing a complaint or charge against an officer or employee, council member district C. I will entertain a motion.
I am making a motion to censure Joseph Lowry based upon his communications on March 17th to the Public Safety Building Commission